Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Statistics is defined as it is a branch of science in which we collect data, we present data, and then we draw conclusions about the data. The second portion of the statistics is presentation of data, and today we will discuss a very important topic. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Let's start. Number 2, class intervals of the type. For example, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. That can be for marks, for height and weight. The class intervals of this type represent inclusive type, a very important one. Number 3, which is one-dimensional diagram? Histogram, not pie diagram, cylinder. The fourth one is the correct one, and that is bar diagram. Number 4, percentage bar diagrams has data expressed in percentages. Number 5, with the help of histogram we can draw a very important one. Number 1, frequency polygon. Number 2, frequency curve. Number 3, frequency distribution. All these are correct. We can draw all these three with the help of the histogram. Number 6 is when the collected data is grouped with reference to time, we have quantitative classification, no. Qualitative classification, no. Geographical classification, no. The last one is chronological classification, and that is the correct one. Whenever we have the data according to the time period, that will be chronological classification. Number 7 is in tabulation, caption stands for the column headings. Very important one. Number 8, a simple table contains data of one characteristic. If you have one characteristic, number 9, the headings of the rows given in the first column of a table are called stubs. Number 10, the first step for constructing frequency distribution is to determine the range of the data, a very important one. Number 11, box plots have been used successfully to describe center of a data set. It is mean value actually. Number 2, spread of a data set, dispersion of the data. Number 3, identification of outliers. The fourth one is the extent and nature of any departure from symmetry. These all are correct. These all are the functions of box plot. It tells you center of the data, dispersion of the data, identification of outliers, and fourth one is extent and nature of any departure from symmetry. Number 12 is the box plot was introduced by John Tukey, a very important one. Number 13, the purpose of histogram is to show, very important. Number 1 is center of the data. Number 2, dispersion of the data. Number 3, shape of the data. These all are the three functions of histogram. 14th one is when the values of a function are shown on a coordinate system for selected points and adjacent pairs of points are connected by a straight line, the resulting illustration is a point-to-point graph. It is, number 13 is a point-to-point graph. A point-to-point graph. Number 14 is 15. A histogram that is negatively skewed is skewed to the left. 16 is Which of the following is suitable to determine whether a distribution is skewed or not? Stem plot, correct. Histogram, correct. Cumulative frequency charts, also correct. Number next, 17. Which of the following is not true about histograms? The bars must touch each other. It is correct. The width of each class must be the same. It is also correct. A histogram for a given set of data may be symmetric or skewed depending on the selection of class width and boundaries. It is also correct. The fourth one is histograms may have gaps and clusters. It is also correct. The fifth one is not correct, and that is histograms may have categorical data. Dear students, you will have to revise and learn this topic, a very important topic, presentation of data. Assalamu alaikum.